So, critique of physiology of cold tolerance in insect. So in this presentation, we will explore the fascinating physiological adaptations that allow insects to survive in cold environment. We'll discuss the two main strategies employed by insects: freeze avoidance and freeze tolerance. We will also explore the role of specific molecules and cellular processes in cold hardiness. So the strategies for cold tolerance, these include freeze avoidance and freeze tolerance. Insects have evolved two main strategies to survive cold temperatures: freeze avoidance and freeze tolerance. Freeze avoiding insects prevent their body fluids from freezing by lowering their supercooling point, the temperature at which their body fluids turn to ice. Freeze tolerant insect, on the other hand, can withstand the formation of ice in their bodies. Freeze avoidance. These include lowering the supercooling point, accumulation of cryoprotectants, removal of ice nucleating agents. Freeze avoiding insects employ several mechanisms to lower their supercooling point. One important mechanism is the accumulation of cryoprotectants such as glycerol and sorbitol. These molecules lower the freezing point of the insect's body fluids without affecting their function. Additionally, freeze-avoiding insects remove or inactive ice nucleating agents, which are proteins that can trigger ice formation. Thermal hysteresis proteins. These include stabilize of supercooled state and prevent ice propagation. So thermal hysteresis proteins, or THPS, are another important component of freeze avoidance. These proteins bind to the surface of ice crystals, preventing them from growing and destabilizing the supercooled state. Freeze tolerance. These include formation of extracellular ice, accumulation of cryoprotectants, ice nucleating agents, and speaker notes. So, freeze tolerant insects can withstand the formation of ice in their bodies. However, this ice is confined to the extracellular space, the space outside the cells. This prevents the formation of intracellular ice, which would be lethal. Freeze tolerant insects also accumulate cryoprotectants to protect their cells from damage caused by freezing. Unlike freeze avoiding insects, freeze tolerant insects actually produce ice nucleating agents to initiate ice formation in a controlled manner. So, in conclusion, insects have evolved remarkably adaptations to survive cold temperatures, and freeze avoiding and freeze tolerance are two main strategies. Understanding insect cold tolerance can help us predict the impact of climate change on insects population. That's all. Thank you.